In this video, I'll show you how to blur the background of a video in TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. You can either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. Once your video is ready, tap Next. Now look for the Effects option and open it. Browse through the available effects and find the Blur or Background Blur effect. Tap on the effect to apply it to your video. TikTok will automatically blur the background while keeping the subject in focus. When you're satisfied with the result, tap Next. Add your caption, hashtags, and any other settings you want. Finally, tap Post to upload your video to TikTok. That's it. This is how you can blur the background of a video in TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.